everyone. Hi, grade 4. Nice to see you again. Okay, welcome back in another video. Okay, I hope that you already watched the previous video that I already uploaded before. Now, our video is about output devices. Okay, can we start our lesson now? Okay, good. Okay, we start our lesson now. Okay, students. In this video, we still learning about lesson 1, Know Your Computer. It's about output devices. Our learning objectives is a monitor. Do you know what is mean output devices? Do you know? Output devices that display result or information. Let's see an example. First is a monitor. A monitor is also known as a visual display unit, or we can say VDU. It is an output device that looks like television. It displays both text and pictures. The output that is displayed on the monitor is called the soft copy. Okay, students. Now, I want to show you the short video about how to set up a desktop monitor. Okay, maybe some of you haven't know how to set up or to setting the desktop computer. Okay, let's watch together.
Are you having trouble putting your computer together? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Take a deep breath. We're going to show you, step by step, how to set up a desktop computer. First, unpack everything from the box and remove any plastic covering or protective tape. Think about where you want your workspace to go and how you want to arrange the different components before you start plugging things in. Next, let's connect the monitor. If you have an all-in-one computer where everything is built in, for example, an iMac, you can skip this step. Otherwise, locate your monitor cable. Newer monitors often use HDMI or USB-C connections, while older monitors may use VGA, DVI, or another type of connection. It just depends. Now find the monitor port on the back of your computer case and plug the cable in. Most cables are designed to fit a certain way, so if it's not working, don't force it. When you're done, connect the other end to your monitor. Now it's time to plug in your keyboard and mouse. If they're wired, they most likely have a USB connector, so you can use any of the ports you see here. You could also plug your mouse into the USB port on your keyboard if it has one. If you have a wireless mouse or keyboard, it's going to work a little differently. Some wireless devices connect using technology that's built into your computer, while others need an adapter. You'll also need to pair the device with your computer before you can use it. You may want to read the instructions that came with your wireless device to learn more about pairing. At this point, you can plug in your speakers or headphones. If it uses a typical audio plug, look for the green audio port on the front or back of your computer case. However, some speakers, headphones, and microphones use USB connectors. Finally, it's time to connect the power supply cables and plug the computer in. You should have two cables. One goes with your monitor, and the other plugs into the back of your computer case. Now plug both cables into a power outlet. We recommend using a surge protector to keep your equipment safe in the event of a power surge. When you're ready, plug the surge protector into a regular outlet. If it has a power switch, you may need to switch it on. That's all there is to it. Now take a minute to make sure you're happy with your workspace. Then turn your computer on.
Okay, after you watch the short video, now I wanna ask again about how to set up the desktop computer. Number 1, unpack your components. Depending on where you purchases your computer and what option you selected, you may or may not have the following items. Number 2, place the tower, or we can say CPU. Place your CPU tower near its intended location with enough room for all of the fans to move the air. The towers typically have fans on the rear of the case and sometimes have fans on the sides, front, and top. Avoiding placing the tower between sets of drawers and inside of a cabinet. Number 3. Connect the monitor to the tower. Plug the monitor or TV into one or the monitor ports on the back of the tower. You can see the picture beside the text. Most modern computers have an HDMI port, which is the easiest to connect. Monitors typically use DVI or HDMI connections, but some older ones use FGA. Number 4. Plug in the mouse and the keyboard behind the CPU. Virtually all mice and keyboards plug in via USB. If you are getting up an exceptionally old PC, you may need to connect the mouse and keyboard via the PS2 connectors. These are typically located at the top of the back of the tower and are color coded to match the keyboard and mouse plugs. Number 5. After you already done all of that, don't forget to turn on the computer. Press the power button on the front of the computer to turn it on. There are 3 main types of the monitor. First, CRT monitors, or we can say cathode ray tube. The second one is LCD monitors, or we can say liquid crystal display. The last one is LED monitors, is a light emitting diodes. Okay, now CRT monitors. CRT monitors are the oldest type of the monitors that resembles our bulky television set. They are heavy in size and less expensive. The second one is LCD monitors, or we can say liquid crystal display. LCD monitors are thinner, lighter, and occupy lesser space. Being used in the making screens of televisions, laptops, calculators, and etc. LCD monitors have these advantages. Picture loses its clarity when we try viewing the screen from different angles. The last one is LED monitors, or we can say light emitting diodes. Consume less electricity as compared to the CRT and LCD monitor. LED and LCD monitors come in flat screen display. They also known as a flat screen monitors. Okay, our topic is about monitor. Are we finished? Now, I want to give you the first activity. The activity you can see or open your book, page 16, number 5 to number 1 to number 5. Okay, I will repeat again. Your activity is open your book, page 16, number 1 to number 5. Okay, after you done, you can write down or do on your book, take a picture. Okay, and then don't forget to post it. Okay, or submit it in the Google Classroom. Okay, students, that will be it for today. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.